here we have our beauty sleep patch. I mean, this is amazing because it does so many different things for our body. And our Alavida is it's a mood enhancer. It elevates all 6 happiness endorphins naturally. I mean, who doesn't need happiness in their life? I don't know about you, but I can take some sunshine over here. It's collagen boosting, 97% plant-based clean ingredients, and it lengthens telomeres, and it also reduces oxidative stress in our body. Now, we have our day cream, our night cream, and our patch, and we also have our Revive Eye Cream. It elevates epithalamion production, supports melatonin regulation and your circadian rhythm. So if someone has issues with sleeping and they are up during the night up during the night and tired during the day, this will help regulate that circadian rhythm. And the benefits include telomere elongation, which is what we just discussed, chromosome repair, and improves skin appearance, reduces wrinkles, it firms the skin, evens the skin tone, brightens your complexion, and all of that goodness, that us ladies and us older people need in our lives to look younger. It enhances the function of the frontal lobe, which I love to wear it on the third eye in the evening or on my right temple. Your adrenal glands, it helps your thyroid, your liver, your kidneys, your pancreas, and the pituitary gland. And I don't know about you, but I didn't know all of these things were affected when I wore the Alavida patch in the evening. So that's why it's called the beauty sleep patch. So who doesn't want all those benefits while you're sleeping? So use only at night, and the best location is on the right temple or the third eye on the forehead. And recommended usage is during nighttime. Like I said, we have our day cream, our night cream, our Revive Eye Cream, and our patch. These are a beautiful merging of nature and science, and it's 4 innovative products that work independently, but they also work well together. And here is the Revive Eye Cream. So this copper peptide is inside of the eye cream, and that's why it brightens and the appearance of even skin tone. It supports firm skin right away. Like the first day I used it, I could not believe how bright underneath my eyes were. It's just amazing. You have to try it if you haven't. And this is for men, women, anyone can use this.